Hello everyone. Today I'll share some very useful information regarding battery drain and overall phone performance, so you can reduce sluggishness. Yes, there are many different settings that specifically affect battery drain, but very few people know that there are also hidden settings that aren't so easy to access if you don't know what to press. Well, there are calibration codes you can enter into your smartphone to calibrate the battery and get rid of various errors that have accumulated, causing your smartphone to slow down and also causing significant battery drain. I'll tell you all about it and show you how. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. So, what causes your phone to slow down and what causes additional battery drain? Of course, it's the errors you make on your phone. They don't happen often, but, for example, you were browsing in your browser, searching for information, your internet connection went down, an error occurred, and that error is saved in your device's memory dump and never goes away. The same thing would happen if, say, an app was working, like YouTube, but then something glitched and it stopped working, and you had to quit and re-enter. But that's just an example. In reality, errors happen in every app. It could be a file that wasn't downloaded properly, a file that wasn't watched properly, or you quickly opened an app and then quit abruptly. And all these errors accumulate, and every year there are more and more of them. They don't take up a lot of memory, but the system remembers them and sometimes accesses the memory dump for errors that have already been made, and your phone starts draining its battery faster and running slower. So, look, I'm showing you the first scenario, which I've shown before in other videos on Samsung phones. I'll also show you a universal option, the second option, which will work on almost any phone model. So, look, if you have a Samsung phone, then go to your phone book, to your dialer, which is where you dial a phone number. Click here, then click on dial and enter the following code, *#9900#. At this point, a hidden additional menu will appear. Let me remind you again that this code is only intended for Samsung phones. If, like me, nothing appears, then this code doesn't work. Next, for Samsung phones, all you have to do is select Max Memory and clear the cache. As for other models for which this code doesn't work, I'll show you a universal way to get to these errors and clear them. By the way, errors can also be caused by any update. You need to exit this menu. Next, go to the standard settings. Look for the section called Applications. Click on All Applications. Then, at the top, there are 3 dots. Click on this. And here, look, you'll see a message saying, Show All Apps. Next, click Search, and simply type in the word Device. Scroll through this list and find Device Information. This is a system app that collects errors stored in the memory dump. Simply click Clear Cache, and confirm with OK. After that, reboot your phone and enjoy the fact that, firstly, you'll clear up some memory, and secondly, your phone will drain less quickly and lag less, no matter what you do.